People know us for alcohol blow tests. They know us for harassing the guys doing speeding, and all manner of things. But we are more focused on just safety. Everything we do, our function, our vision, our mandate, everything we do is just to ensure that you're very safe while on that road. If you look at our numbers, they say numbers don't lie. If you look at our numbers, you'll appreciate the fact that indeed this cause we really have to fight, all of us. We really have to be responsible in one way or another when we're on the road. 2015, we lost 3,059 people by the end of December. And that was an increase of almost 9% from 2014, when we lost 2,907 people. Last year, 2016, and I'm carrying with me the annual report which we are about to release, we lost 2,965 people last year. It's 2016. Our number hits very high, especially remember the Naivasha incident? Mnakumbuka Naivasha, sio? The number went up. In that December period, we lost quite a number of people. Compared to the previous year, 3,057, it was a small drop, over -3. It's a small drop. But coming back to now, the sector that we sit here today and represent, we've lost, 2015 we lost 637 border riders. Last year, 2016, we were the highest. We lost 718 border riders. And these numbers may not make a lot of sense, but if you put a human face on them, is when you realize that it's painful. As we speak right now, just January, up to date, we're almost getting to 100 of the riders that we've lost. Between January, tarehe moja up to today is 19th, yeah? Already 100. And the list is endless. And so it's a very worrying picture. It is for all of us to think around it and say, enough is enough.